Because what happened is we had a website that was running and managing our scuba diving business. And our scuba diving business is worldwide training, and we also had manufacturing. And we obviously were also doing retail because we are based in San Diego.
So we took the software that we built for the scuba company, and which had solved the problems for that company, we put it in this other company called Recify, and now that's what we're getting out into the world. And that's been a really successful shift from this big, huge software package we built for one small business, and then opened up to anybody else who wanted it.
So when we had this opportunity to actually build a piece of software from the ground up, we started to make some really basic decisions. Number one, it's going to be cloud-based. Number two, and most importantly, is that everything is going to be under one roof. We're going to connect all the data so that the front end of the website, when somebody buys something, is connected to the back end of the website. So when I want to report who bought what, when, and did they take a class, it was all there under one shell.
And then once that software was working and operating for the scuba company, then we found other companies that were finding out about this software were coming to us. So then all of a sudden we have a nonprofit who needs the software. We have a church that needs the software. We have other small recreational businesses that needed the software, like we're here at Adrenalina, and skateboard shop in San Diego. All these companies were kind of coming out of the woodwork saying, well, we have the same problem. We need one software package with one CRM that manages all this other stuff we do, events, education, product sales, and so on. And that's really what Recify is solving. That's the problem that Recify is solving now.
Exactly, and one of the things we had to do is we had to say, you know what, when we develop this, let's have a bigger picture in mind once these guys started asking. So let's make it white labeled. Let's make it that it can be API'd in. Let's make it that it can fit any static brochure website, whether it be on our server or platform or whether it be on somebody else's. All we do is we just create a simple API and bam, now you've got functionality. And for us, we spoke to many businesses say, yeah, I've got a website and I have a hard time driving traffic. That's because you're not creating engagement. Customers want to do something on your website. That's why they'll come back.